Hello there, YouTube. What is going on down here? It's me, Gabriel Nagel. So we're gonna do another U.S. weather forecast during this week. Might as well do it, just so that way keep you updated with the latest weather events and stuff like that. So if you guys love weather-related content, you love weather storms, winter storms, summer storms, thunderstorms, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share the video with family and friends. Let's dive into the video. Alrighty, so today we're going to talk about U.S. weather forecasts, just to keep you posted with the latest on our weather. But if you guys, like I said, like weather-related content, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with family and friends. Let's get started with the video. So we're not going to use one model for this, because most models are in pretty much fairly good agreement with what's going on. And so what we got going on here is we've got some leftover precipitation hitting the northwest. Idaho could experience some quite snowy conditions, rain and snow both, while this Columbia Basin gets a lot of snow. Alright, the latest system is exiting out of the northeast, right over here. Move my EpiPen, there we go. And it's moving towards off the coast. Okay, so you guys in Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and some of those northeastern states, not to experience much, okay? Alright, moving on to the next slide. Here we go. So this is for tomorrow. This actual slide is for tomorrow night at this time. So tomorrow evening, or in the tomorrow evening. No, wait, this is Saturday evening. Sorry, Saturday evening. You can experience some departing snow showers from the Intermountain West, mostly the Rocky Mountains. Also, we should watch the storm right here because there could be potentially it can be a two-puncher for the Midwest, like I stated in the beginning of this video. The first punch not as big, but the second punch could be a little bit more impact. So yeah. So right now, as you guys can tell, there is a little weak clipper system moving across like that in the Canadian Prairie. As you guys can tell here in the U.S., we got some action going on here in the Rocky Mountains. Again, from Montana to Wyoming to Colorado, you got some snowstorm action going on right there. Let's move on to the next slide now, shall we? Okay, so here's that first punch, as I was telling you about. This low pressure system's way up here, actually, way up there. And so, this first punch is mostly going to be a rain event. You can have some mix in eastern Pennsylvania. Also, you can have some rain to snow. Mostly snow events up there in New Hampshire and Connecticut and parts closer to Maine and the interior New England states. But down south, we can have some potential strong thunderstorms that can develop from Kentucky all the way to Mississippi. So yeah, it's definitely worth watching to see what happens. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. As that system starts to exit, we get another system forming right here in the northwest. They can potentially scoot across and have a bigger punch of moisture. So, as you can tell, there's some lake effect snow there in Chicago, Illinois. Some Illinois lake effect snow. You also got some there in Erie, Pennsylvania, and parts of New York. So yeah, and also the Upper Peninsula and stuff way up there too. Okay, going on to the next slide. So this next slide shows a really cold high pressure system right here. Again, we have to keep an eye on for this next system. It's going up right there right now. But we'll be diving a little bit to the south and east, and it will cause some more stormy weather across this area. Okay, so as you guys can tell, we do get a bit of a developing system right here in the southwest. Not too impressive, but we'll have to watch and see what that storm system does. And if it forms and goes across like that, we'll have to keep an eye on it. So that's expected to do something like that. It's expected to take a track like that. But yeah, and we got some northwest snow. Again, more rain and snow for the northwest, but that's starting to kind of dwindle. Moving on to the next slide. So we have one more slide after this, I believe. So there's a storm system developing there to the south. Well, we kind of get another punch of moisture starting to invade some of the interior England states and some of the Midwestern states. As a matter of fact, you still got that 540 line is pretty far to the south still. So yeah. Alright, and then moving on to our last slide, this should be the second punch of moisture. There it is, starting to make its way up to the Midwest. They don't really don't see much here in regards to second punch, but there's the second punch of moisture expected to hit this area. I'm mostly thinking like western areas, like right there, like so between South Dakota, southern Minnesota, Iowa, and Illinois, and really right along Indiana, right along the lines of Indiana. But as you can tell right now, currently what this model is showing is this low pressure system starting to develop right here. So right generally across the southwest, moving into the upper plains. Now I'm gonna show you guys my weather map. I only have one put out today because I don't have much time to do a whole lot. So I only did one weather map today. It's a precipitation map. And I'll share it with you in a second. It's a 7 to 14 day outlook. I'm gonna point that out to you guys now. So I meant to put that in there, but yeah, here we go. Drum roll, please. Alright, there we have it. And so it looks like a lot of the middle parts of the country is going to experience some active storm track. Again, northwest is starting to dry up. So let's do this. Let's break this down here. Start off with the northwest. So in the very far northwestern Washington, Oregon, you're going to be below average. Pretty much not much is going to happen there. California, northern Nevada, northwestern Utah, Idaho, and Montana, you can experience slightly below average conditions. While stretching from New Mexico all the way up to Maine, you have slightly above average to above average from Texas all the way up to Ohio. So, again, if you guys love this weather-related content, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the video with your family and friends. This is my last piece, so I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.